Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to record screen on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you are using an iPhone 14 series and now you want to record screen on your phone, so let's see how can you do it. First you have to scroll down your control panel and here you'll get the screen recording option. If you won't get it here, so you can add it, just tap on add icon on the left right corner of screen, just tap on it and then now I'm going to disable it. Now I'm going to enable it again. Just tap on add a control and here you'll easily get screen recording option. If you won't get it here, just tap on search to search it. Now after searching it, just tap on it and then it will be added to your control center. Now tap on any empty place and then quickly tap on it or press and hold on it, then tap on start recording. And after doing this, you just have to open the screen which you want to record. And once your recording has been completed, you just have to tap on this icon and then tap on stop. And it will be stop on save your phone recording on your phone. So that's how you can easily make screen recording on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.